Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in mechanical engineering, and from North Maharashtra University. And today's date is 9 December 2021. And today's topic is inheritance. Inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquire all the properties and behavior of the parent object. It is important part of OOPS, operating object oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that build upon the existing classes. When you inherited from an existing class, you can reuse method and field of the parent class. Moreover, you can also add new method in a current class also. Inheritance represented is relationship of which also known as parent child relationship. Why use inheritance Java? For method overloading, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability, term use inheritance class. A class of group of object have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from the object are created. Subclass a child class. Subclass is the which class which inherited other class. It is also called as derived class, extended class, or child class. Superclass, parent class. Superclass is the class where a super subclass inheritance feature is called as the base class or parent class. Reusability. As the name of specified, reusability mechanism which is facilitated, you can reuse the method existing class when you created a new class. You can use the same field as a method already defined in the previous class. The extend keyword indicates that you are making new class that derive from the existing class. The meaning of extends is increase the functionality. In the terminology of the Java, a class which is inherited is called as parent or superclass, and the new class, child or subclass, single heritage example. When a class inherits another class, it is called as single heritage in the example given below. Dog class inherited animal class, so single heritage. Multi inheritance class example. When there are is a chain of inheritance in the known as multi-level inheritance, as you can see example, baby dog class inheritage dog class, again inheritage and animal class, it there is a multi-lative inheritage. Higher inheritage example, when two or more classes inheritage in a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. It is example below, dog and cat classes inherited in an animal class. So there is a higher inherited. Why multiple inheritance? It is not support in Java. To reduce complexity and simplicity of the language, multiple inheritance is not support in Java. Consider a scenario when A, B, and C, three classes. The class 3 inherited in a and B class. If A and B classes are the same method, you can call from the child class. Will you get ambiguity called the method A or B class? Since compile time error are better more than runtime error, Java readers compile time error, you can inherit two class. So whenever you have some method different, there we will compare error. When the two class is same in the inheritance, they can call only one object or one method. That's why in Java we cannot use the multiple class, or in a we can generally not use the same class in the inheritance. We call the we calling in Java, we calling the outer class in the inner class. They have the inner class have the inner class having the power to call the outer class. Thank you.